What's up guys, this is Manuel. Today we're gonna make the strut braces bar. We're gonna wrap them in carbon fiber. Let's do it. Okay guys, this is the plan. We're gonna try to wrap the brace bar. The ones are here and it has another one in this side. We're gonna try to do it in carbon fiber and let's see how it works. Alright, so these are the bars we're gonna wrap, these two, and we're gonna try to wrap them in carbon fiber, and also we're gonna try different colors. So let's start with installation. Okay guys, so I have a new idea. Since I'm gonna wrap them first in carbon fiber. I'm gonna see how they look, but also I have chrome red, so I was thinking maybe to do it in chrome red. So let's do it first in carbon fiber. Let's see how they look. And I'm gonna remove it and put it in chrome red. So we will have both options, and the best one we're gonna, let's see. Okay, let's do this. Let's do one in chrome red and one in carbon fiber, and I will pick which one it looks better. Okay, so let's do that next. Here you can see it, the carbon. Wow, it looks amazing. But I think the red one looks better. I don't know, I can't decide, man. I don't know. Carbon or chrome red. Man, the carbon looks amazing. Oh man. But if I put it in carbon, it's gonna be hard to see. But with the chrome, man, it looks amazing. Wow. You can see that. Man. Look at that. Beauty. Look at that beauty. And look at this. Wow. Well, I think I'm gonna put it in red. The carbon looks super amazing. But the red chrome looks better than this one. So I'm gonna put it in chrome red. All right, you can see it. It looks beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yes, you can see it. I decided to go to with the chrome red, but you can wrap it any color. You can wrap it on carbon fiber, gloss red, blue, yellow, green, any color. So I'm gonna put the link for this material and more options on the description of the video down below. But let me know what you guys think about the chrome red. Wow, looks great. Okay guys, those are the braces for the struts of the engine. They look amazing. I like it on chrome red, but you can do it in carbon fiber and more options. The carbon fiber looks amazing, but this one I think is better for my car. Okay, but you can see it there how it looks. Wow, I love it. Let me know what you guys think. Put it in the comments. If you like the video, please like the video. All the links for the material, they're gonna be in the description of the video down below. But let me know what you guys think, or if you have a question, put it in the comments too. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video. Bye.